everyone, this is the Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today we'll show you such a beautiful dress made of silk with stripes. This silk called crepe de chine, of course French. Look at how the dress is arranged. Here's a stripe. Here it is slanting in one direction, here it is slanting in another direction, and here you can see the cross detail, an even side along the lobar. When Inga moves, it was incredibly beautiful. Everything moves behind. This dress, due to the sleeves, turned out to be very beautiful. The collar here is a bot. The lining is not sewn to the dress. Here is a completely separate bottom dress. On the table I will show you how the dress is arranged. I will show you separately the bottom dress. I think you will pick something out of this video for yourself. In the studio we were very happy when such a pretty dress have happened to us. A thread was chosen really well for the rose seam. When such a coloring is needed, the thread must be selected very carefully. We have it slightly flash pink. Firstly, of course, we worked with white and it hit in the eye, so we chose pink. Here are the ponytails, they just hang, and the sleeves are so beautiful. Please turn around so everyone can see the dress. When Inga walked around us, we all stopped breathing for a second because the dress developed very beautifully from behind. Ideal dress for summer, the blue color is so refreshing. Please move a little more so everyone can see all the details. The back was made a shelf, not half as we usually do, but in a spread, a full shelf. Full back, full length. Put these lines on the layout, on tracing paper. And they received all the patterns even, but this detail is resolved. The only thing we did was change the direction of the shared thread. Inga used to love knee-length dresses, and recently she has been fond of longer models. And I think this is right, because longer dresses are much more beautiful, especially in the summer. When we are not dependent on the outwear, we can wear the length that we like. Okay, show everyone the dress one last time. Remember, silk crepe de chine. So right now, Inga is happy, I'm happy, the girls that made the dress are happy with their work. We hope that Inga will enjoy wearing this dress in the summer. So, we showed you the dress. I guess I show you everything, all the details. And right now, I want to show you the dress and the Lawa dress on the table. I think that our today's review will encourage you to create a more interesting dress for yourself than you usually used to. Well, okay, Inga, take off the dress. It is on the table and I want to tell you about it. This dress is asymmetric and sophisticated. You cannot take a shelf and bag from 10 measurements or from some other base to cut in half, as we usually do. You have to remove it completely, fold the paper doubtly, remove it, lay it out, and in front of you the pattern will completely right and the left half will be drawn in the center of the front. And already on this half you are drawing these lines, no other way. I want to show you a sleeve. I guess it just looked like a sleeve. A cloth that is sewn over the sleeve. Here 12 centimeters or 40 centimeters and the rest just hangs. I'll tell you a little secret. Such sleeves can be made in completely different shapes. By the way, I know one sleeve and I want to show it to you somehow in our next video. You can see, it's just on the shoulder instead of the sleeves, a dropping ring. I want to say that it's very convenient. You do not need to stick in the sleeve and work on landing. It turned out beautifully airy and nice. Here you can see the boat. The boat is finished with a Moscow seam. On the sleeve and bottom of the dress, role playing. When doing role playing, carefully select the threads of colors. It was possible to create white, but we decided to pick up such an average shade, flash pink. And I think it looks great. The roll seam doesn't go into the eyes, doesn't get out. So let's move on. All seams are persist in the overlock. Since everything is oblique and oblique in different directions, I lightly glue all the seams with adhesive material. Take a look. We persist the bottom roll. Let's back to the armhole. It is persisted by the oblique inlay, and this sleeve is sewn above on the shoulder. Pay attention to how it is sewn. So I'm right now under the sleeve. Then it turns up, hangs on this shoulder. And if you twist it, it turns out like this. I told you everything about this dress. I hope you were interested because this dress is really insanely beautiful. Also, I have a bottom dress. The lower dress can be made in the form of t-shirt, in the form of combination, in the form of anything that you like. This is combination. From the same fabric actually. So it's stitched centimeter straps with rings like bras. For my personal opinion, it turned out very beautifully. And immediately the thing was not simple. Treated with an oblique string on the top of this combination. Padding with the closed cut and sewing machine stitching bottom. The rest of seams are just an overlock. And so this is the way how this beautiful combination was born. It is especially important to know that such combinations are suitable for many dresses. Let's discuss. First of all, the more convenient the combination than the lining. When the lining is sewn for the dress, it must be washed every time, every day. I have spoken about this many times, and then it is very difficult to iron. But when you have a combination under a silk dress, you only erase the combination, but you don't touch the dress. Also, ironing a combination is much easier than a double dress. Therefore, I really recommend sewing a separate bottom dress. It's saving and convenient. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to this channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.